Good morning, everybody. My little mini-me's right next to me. Ben and I are gonna go to town. It's currently 9:59. Charlotte takes a nap probably between now and 11. So I'm gonna take Ben with me just because I need some one-on-one with him.
I'm not putting away today.
Okay, so we are going to go to Kohl's because I have Kohl's cash that's expiring today. We're gonna go to Menards because I'm gonna get some PVC pipe for a project that I'm gonna work on, and then we're gonna get him some PVC pipe so he can just like make some stuff with that. We have to go to the grocery store to get a couple things, and I feel like we have to go one more place. I don't remember, but that's what's going on today. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna leave probably right now just so we can be back in time so we can get some stuff done. Graham's gonna mow the lawn while Charlotte's taking a nap because she takes about a good 2-hour nap. And we have a camera in her room so we can watch her while we're doing stuff. No, Charlotte's gonna stay home with Daddy because Charlotte wants to bond with Daddy. Hey, mermaid butt, come here. Hey, diaper butt, you come here. She's so sweet. So we'll catch you guys back in a little bit. Ben's already waiting in the car. I gotta grab my stuff. Hey you guys, so I'm at the gas station right now pumping some gas. It is hot outside, but Graham gave me some money for groceries. I used my garage sale money for it so we don't put it on our credit card or whatever, and I was not expecting to spend that much, but thank God I had enough cash on me just for that. But Ben and I went shopping together. I got a bunch of PVC. I got like $40 worth of PVC to work on.
Even me, I got one stuff.
Yep, we're gonna work on some stuff for Benjamin, and then I'm gonna do a video, hopefully maybe today, I don't know, it's hot as heck. We're gonna chill in the pool. I'm gonna run in the store real quick to get hot dog buns after the van is...
There's a game named Hot Dog Bun. You get there's like a Donald Trump hot dog bun.
Yeah. But you know, like, I was stressed out with Ben the other day, and you know, today Ben and I got along great. We held hands, you know, holding hands. We were just getting along great. You know, Ben was a good kid today, and we needed that one-on-one time together. But you guys, I went to Kohl's, you guys. They have a lot of their clearance on sale, like marked down, and then you get an additional 30% off. And then I had $20 worth of Kohl's cash. Yeah, Ben got a little alligator.
And then you put this little green button, and then it like snaps.
Yeah.
And then
so I had $20 Kohl's cash to use. So I ended up getting like a sweatshirt for Charlotte. Like, this was originally $16. It was on clearance for $4.80, but I got it probably... It says I paid like maybe $1 or 74 cents, 84 cents for it. So yeah, and then I got her another sweatshirt to wear and another sweatshirt to wear, and then I got her a hoodie to wear this fall. So that was 4 shirts that I got for her, and then I got Ben 4 shirts of these like thermal shirts for him to wear for school next year. So I paid $7.74 with tax for 8 pieces of clothing, you guys. Like, that is
how much I got.
Yeah, I showed them all your stuff. So that's all that I got for Kohl's, you guys. Like, it was awesome. 8 pieces of clothing for $7. Now that is how I shop. I always buy. Is my car filled yet? No. Takes a long time to fill it. But yeah, so I got pretty good.
Car.
Yeah, I got a really good haul, which I feel comfortable. $7 for all that stuff. Awesome. It is getting hot. I gotta roll down the windows.
Mommy's gonna wear car.
So I'm going to... My car must have been empty. Man. So I will catch you guys back. Hey guys, so it is 3:32 and we're gonna go swimming. Graham and Ben are already in the pool. I'm just getting some sunscreen. Oh, something leaked in here. Gross. I gotta wipe this off, but we're just getting some sunscreen on, and then we're gonna go head in the pool. So yeah. Hey you guys, so it is currently 6:57. We're actually gonna go for a family walk. We're gonna go for a long walk, so it'll probably be over an hour before we get back. Yeah, and so then when we get back, I'm gonna start preparing for tomorrow. Now tomorrow, I will be doing Walgreens first, and then Ben's graduating preschool, so we're gonna go to that, and then I'll hit CVS later that day. Yeah, she just loves looking at herself, don't you? Yes. Yes. So, that's what's going on. I look like crap because I went underwater in our little pool, so yeah. But let's go for a family walk. Charlotte got all wet from her water bottle. Benjamin's holding him like a big brother that he is. Good job, Benny. Yes! Good job, Miss Charlotte. And Graham's way up there. We're at this like walking trail that we haven't been here for a long time. I got water dripped on my camera, so it's all wet. What you grabbing? You getting your ball?
Got my Thomas Ware edition.
Yeah,
I
cool.
found it.
Well, you guys, we are finally home, and it is 8:30. We've been out for an hour and a half. Benjamin's pooped. Graham's gonna mow the backyard. And Ben, tell him who we saw today.
Mita.
He saw one of his friends he went to preschool with, and we talked to his mom. It was awesome because we don't know all of Ben's friends. So we told him that there's a graduation thing tomorrow, and Ben was excited to hang out with his friends. So I am like hot as all heck. I'm gonna start preparing for tomorrow, and yeah, and all of a sudden I'm out of focus because that's just what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna go inside. Okay, guys, sorry, I have this headband on because I have all these like fuzzy hairs that constantly like pop up, and I heard that if you like put like a nightcap or something on when you go to sleep, it might help. But in the middle of the night, this comes off anyways. But it helps me a lot by getting the hair out of my face and everything. But I think I heard people put like t-shirts on their hair, but I'm just sick of all the like the little loose hairs, because you guys can obviously see it, you know, when my hair's all frizzy and everything. So that's what's going on. It is currently 10:19. I'm gonna post this video, and then I'm gonna get up at 6:30 tomorrow, and I'm gonna go shopping because Ben has to graduate at 11 for his preschool, so I'm gonna try to get everything done and home before his party. But I might just post one video and then post another one when we get back. So that's what's going on. I'll see you guys all tomorrow, and see you later. Bye-bye.